then because it fell down on my plants.
There's Mummy.
Hi. I thought you meant that.
I did do, I want that one.
Busby.
Come lift it up.
Hello there. Hello, you're a good girl, aren't you? Hey, pretty girl.
Oh no.
What? What?
Oh no, perhaps it's okay. Just make sure it's higher up. To make sure I get some.
Didn't think it was that cold.
I don't think she's took on added, I wouldn't ring Joyce so I'll tell her on Wednesday.
Whoa! I hope it's still bloody off singing that heathen song. You'll get banned from here, I've told you.
Philip was attacking him.
You wait till we get him, we'll have you singing Land of Ocean Glory.
I went to Loughborough yesterday to try and get some more broderie outlay, but there's only one store that sold anything like that. And I've got to match the bit that I've got left over, because I put in a little bit on because has she got underslips?
Um,
I thought I got enough cotton to put a skirt part, but I'm not so sure.
she has got a selection.
Can you look in and see yourself?
She's in there, Karen.
Is she over them? I wanted to come out. Come on.
Now then, come on pretty, come on darling. Oh, look at him making a fuss on that. He's a funny old thing he is, he's a funny old boy.
Oh,
Yeah,
she's done so much.
that's it.
Well, she's a poor little, thin little budgie. Oh, you do look poorly, don't you, eh? She thinks the white one's got red eyes.
It does look a bit that
No.
way. Oh, it's just yawned.
I need my glasses on.
Here's your big baby, ain't you? Here's a beautiful. Now another baby. Little tiny baby. Oh, this one's getting feathers now.
That's the tiniest of the lot.
This one's getting feathers now.
Not too close, actually, take me out of focus.
Oh. Isn't he tiny?
Look at that one.
Yeah. That's Sparky. And that's Snowball. They try to get underneath each other. She's lovely. She's ever so soft. She's really nice. Just stroke her. Just stroke her.
Look, put it on the settee.
Now this one's Sparky. And he pecks and takes a bit out of you. Don't you, Eve? I think it's going to be another boy.
It's like the other one, isn't it?
It's like the one Maisie's got. There we are. There you go. And this one is like Jiffy.
What's the difference?
I think it's a female.
Coming up, young.
Coming up, Maya. Would you like to hold it?
No.
Really?
Yes, that's when I'm holding it with
See
her.
this little one? It was preening the feathers. They're to each other. And the white one, it always sits like that, subdued. Oh. So they all start climbing on each other.
That's its mentally handicapped.
Oh dear.
Look, he's squashed it in there.
It's actually recording there. It's actually on the basket, and it's recording all the little heads that pop out. Because they look ever so funny with the little heads popping up.
Oh, I'm going to kill him.
Would you like to hold this one, Philippa? This is a nice big... They look a little bit odd. She might be a little bit wary of them, but this one looks like a definite little bird, doesn't it?
Isn't it soft?
Yeah. She might get worried and
This one says
take it
don't
away.
like that.
Yeah.
Won't like to.
Hello. Can you hear it? If it's a little tiny squeaky noise.
It's squeaking.
No.
He wants to go back in the basket.
And we get the little head of the other one underneath.
He's standing on his tail. That one.
Oh, she's upside down. Come on, Basil. This is Sparky.
Hello.
Hello.
He's going up.
Oh, we're going to be a... This is next to coming out, Julia.
What's next to coming
It
out?
flew from my hand there. So this one,
Climbed up your arm.
Which is the oldest one? Is it that one?
the one you've got and this one were hatched on the same day. We couldn't believe it. Ow. Ow. Naughty. Not biting, Nano.
This one's biting as well.
Ow. Oh, you're cute. Nibble. Nibble.
Oh.
Ow.
Do you want me to put a notice in the school?
No, not yet.
Short time to
The oldest ones are approximate 3 weeks.
How do they?
6 weeks. Oh, it's come off again. Get in there. Oh, little Basil. Yeah.
Well, that one's not going back in.
Oh, little. I'm sure this one's frightened.
He's fighting.
Where are you going?
Going up.
Ah.
Use its little tail feathers washing this one. Snuggled in. Nano's breastfeeding.
Blown out. Baby, didn't they? This baby, I mean, it needs a bit more protection. Hello, Egbert.
Shows you how sturdy they are.
Hey.
If you think the one that died would be smaller than this one now. There you go. You sit with your friend.
I don't even get back.
Come in, basket.
Oh,
That's nice.
Hello.
they like to be.
Right, let's have them back in. How many have we got out? Oh, Julie's got them.
Taking one. Let's go now.
Come on then.
That was that one.
They are, I think
That was that.
Come on, Rasputin.
Sparky.
Oh.
But,
he's upside
no, it only
down.
lays on its back and it can't get up.
Oh.
It's funny
1,
that one.
2, 3, 4. It likes to be with its.
Come on,
nearest-
baby.
It keeps warmer. It's piggyback. Isn't it? Piggyback.
Beautiful.
Let me zoom in and get them close up.
Yeah.
Now, do you like that? Do you? Oh.
Can't really get to it. Are we seeing?